Today we'll be testing a 15-minute trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute trend trading strategy. Before we do though, wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 201 different strategies, with 65 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 91 of the other strategies and indicators that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,000 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute trend trading strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners, and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you will also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. So the source video on this strategy says the trend indicator that filters out 99% of false signals. So of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. Now keep in mind that this is a strategy and not just a specific video on an indicator. So it's always kind of weird when they point out one specific indicator but then add other indicators to it. If the one indicator could filter out 99% of false signals, then you would just use that one indicator. But anyways, I digress. Let's go ahead and turn off these 2 indicators here. The first indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the EMA trend meter, this one right here. And I assume this is the one that they're referring to in the source video of being able to filter out 99% of false signals. And so let's go ahead and jump into the settings real quick. And under the style, you're going to go ahead and turn off this top shape right here. Under the inputs, the baseline, you're going to change that to 13. The EMA fast, you're going to change that to 21. The EMA medium or mid, you're going to change that to 34. The EMA slow, you're going to change that to 55. Go ahead and click OK. And the next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the stochastic momentum index, this one right here. And you'll add that to the screen. It'll look pretty much like this right here. In the source video, they did go in and change the color of the stochastic line, but they were using a dark colored chart, and so we can keep it on the black one since we're using a light chart. Alright, so what we're looking for is when we have the trend meter all in one specific color. So in this case, we're looking for a short, so the trend color is in all red like this here. All 3 of those dashed or dotted lines, however you want to refer to them. And then what we're looking for is the stochastic to pull back above this upper dash line here, the upper red, blue line here. And you can see that it gives this red background when it does. That's a pullback in the market. So we have the short trend established with the trend meter, then we're looking for a pullback and continuation. So what we're looking for is when that stochastic pulls back, gives us that red background, and then crosses back down below that dashed line at the 40 mark. When that happens, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. All those line up right here on this one. We're going to set our stop right above the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward in this case. Let's see, a little bit more. Right there, should get us there. All right, let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. All right, so it takes just a little bit, but we eventually stair step our way down there, getting us to our take profit. All right, and for a long trade, of course, we're looking for the opposite here. So we're looking for all green on the trend meter that establishes the uptrend. And then we're looking for price to pull back in a continuation. So we get the pullback here is established when the stochastic dips below this lower dashed line here at the negative 40. And you can see that it gives us that green background here instead of the red. And then we're looking for that line to cross back up the black line, not the red line. The black line crosses back up above that negative 40 mark. When those happen there, all that lines up. It's going to be our signal to enter into a long. Again, we're going to set our stop just right below the last swing and target that 1 to 2 risk reward. Right about there should be fine. Let's play this forward and see what we get. All right, once again, really nice push up there, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per losing trade, which means that your drawdown would have been $10,200 for a total loss of $600 altogether. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 69 trades. We had 49 winning trades and 20 losing trades, putting it at a 71% win rate. If you're looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $29,400. Your drawdown would have been $15,600 for a total gain of $13,800 altogether. Significantly better results from the Academy of Forex indicator, obviously. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once a free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly trades. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. This one, crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades that we would have taken. And so you can see here on the Forex pairs, this last week we did 4 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, 1 losing trade. A 75% win rate would have been a gain of $1,020. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade. A 100% win rate would have been a gain of $600. All in total, we would have had a gain of $1,620. Add that to our 14-week total, and we would have been at $24,640 in growth. You can see the growth right here, and you can see more information about the Academy of Forex strategy and how it grow an account. So really cool stuff. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we will go ahead and move on to the next video from here.